Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to close background running app on iPhone. So if you want to close the background running app on your iPhone, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open your settings. Once you open your settings, once you open it, you have something like this. Open it. Okay, open your settings, then scroll all the way down, tap on general. Then from general, tap on background app refresh, tap on it. Then right here, tap on the first option. So you just have to make sure that this particular option is turned off on your phone. If it is on Wi-Fi, it means whenever you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, all the app will run in the background, will use your Wi-Fi network and might consume your data. And if it is on both Wi-Fi and network, so whenever you are connected to a mobile network or you are connected to Wi-Fi, all this app will run underground and they will consume your data, and at the same time they consume your battery. So the best option is just to keep it off and to ensure your battery health standard. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.